This is maths class for class 2 and your question is question number 1. Write the smallest number. If there were given numbers between 1 to 10, then it is easy for you to consider to identify which is the smallest number. But given here 2 digits number, okay? I told you this is called ones place and this is tens place, okay? In 2 digits number, to identify the smallest number or the largest number, you have to consider tens place digit, okay? So tens place, here tens place 1, here is also 1, here is also 1 and here is also 1. So you can't identify that which is the smallest. If we can't identify with the help of tens place digit, then we consider ones place digit, okay? So here 2, 3, 1, 9. Which is the smallest? 2, 3, 1, 9. Then we know 1 is the smallest number. So fill here 11. Okay. Second number question. Write the largest number. You have to do same as you do here. Okay. So first of all, we consider tens place digit. Here is 1, here is 2, 2, 2. 1, 2, 2, 2. Okay? Tens place digit. You have to consider tens place digit. So 1 is the smallest. It means 18 will not be answer. Next. These are all same. So you have to consider now ones place digit. Here is 0, okay? It means 0. Here is 2 and 4. Which is the largest? So, you know 4 is the largest between in those, okay? So, write here 24. Write in ascending order from the smallest to the largest. It means you have to write first of all smallest and then you have to move, okay? Smallest to largest. So you consider, then you find that 2 is the smallest number. So write here 2, then 12, then 13, then 15 and then 22. Here write in descending order from the largest to the smallest. It means you have to write the largest number first and then you have to move to smallest, okay? So which is the largest? So here tens plus 2, 7, 5, 2, 3. 7 is the largest, so write here 78. Then 5 is so 56. Then 32. Here 2 and here 2. So now we consider ones place digit. Here 6 and here 4. 6 is largest, so 26 and then 24. Do other questions.